This is the Claire human hair topper with a mono top. It's by UniWigs. Let me go ahead and take her off and I'll show you the inside. It has 4 clips, and that is also another reason why it's more comfortable for me. Here's my hair without the topper. You can see I have a lot of hair loss up top, and that's one thing that I love about this topper. I can just throw it on and it totally covers that up. Let me show you the inside. And right now there's a line here. That's concealer that I had dabbed on the underneath of the mono top, so it doesn't come like that, but that's why that line is here. All right, let me put her back on, and the last thing I will share with you guys is kind of how I use the light powder to make the part look a little more realistic when I put it on, because of the lace front, and I don't do any blending of my bio hair on that front hairline, so I put it all the way up front to where it matches where my hairline is. There we go. And then I just take a comb and blend my bio hair with it by combing it together. And voila! Such an easy fix for hair loss, and like I said, this topper is super easy to throw on. It only has the 4 clips and the smaller base size, but it still provides some great coverage for my hair loss level, and there you have it. But overall, I think this topper is a great choice if you're looking for a topper. And one great thing about this topper is it's very affordable. You get human hair, and the human hair is very nice, smooth, silky, and it's just at a great price. Let me show you one last thing, and I just dab some on my brush, and let me look in this mirror over here, just dab it on the part line all the way down. And it really makes a huge difference, and it's super quick and easy. So there you have it. This is the Claire human hair topper, 5.5 by 5.5 inch base, mono top, lace front. It's by UniWigs. Bye everybody.